Join me as I dive into the mystery of black holes and challenge myself to unravel how these cosmic giants are merging in ways that totally defy what scientists thought was possible. Black holes are among the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. They're essentially regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it gets too close. For years, scientists have been fascinated by these cosmic giants, studying their behaviors and trying to understand the rules that govern their existence. Recently, though, some incredible discoveries have left scientists scratching their heads as black holes seem to be merging in ways that shouldn't be possible according to our current understanding. Traditionally, scientists believed that black hole mergers happened in a pretty straightforward way. When two black holes collide, they create a massive disturbance in space-time, producing gravitational waves that we can detect from millions of light years away. The mergers were expected to follow certain rules based on the masses and spins of the black holes involved. But the anomalies that scientists are facing today are making them rethink these assumptions. For instance, some mergers seem to involve black holes that are too big or too small compared to what was expected. Others appear to be happening at speeds that defy predictions. These unusual mergers are pushing scientists to question their current understanding of black hole behavior. Recent research findings have added to the mystery. Data from gravitational wave observatories like LIGO and Virgo have revealed a treasure trove of black hole mergers, some of which are truly unexpected. One of the most surprising findings is that some black holes seem to be merging at much higher rates than thought possible. This has significant implications for our understanding of the universe, as it suggests that black holes might be more common than previously believed. The data also hints at the possibility of multiple generations of black hole mergers, where smaller black holes merge to form larger ones. This challenges our current understanding of how black holes grow and evolve over time. One of the most striking examples of a merger that defies current scientific expectations is the case of a black hole that's significantly more massive than its companion. According to our current understanding, such a merger shouldn't be possible, as the more massive black hole should have consumed the smaller one long ago. Yet observations suggest that this merger not only happened, but is part of a larger pattern of unusual black hole behavior. This particular merger is significant because it provides clues about the environments where black holes form and evolve. It suggests that some regions of the universe might be more conducive to black hole formation than previously thought. Black holes are continuing to surprise and intrigue scientists with their mergers that defy existing theories. These discoveries are revolutionizing our understanding of the universe, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we continue to study these cosmic giants, we're reminded of just how much mystery and wonder the universe still holds. So, what do you think about these cosmic giants and their unexpected mergers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by the universe as I am, be sure to check out my other video on cosmic phenomena that's just as mind-blowing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more deep dives into space's greatest mysteries. And as always, keep looking up.